Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share my best tips and tricks for visiting the Doseum in San Antonio, Texas. So let's go. The first thing I want to share is that there is free parking on the premises of the Doseum, so you don't have to spend extra money to park when visiting the Doseum. Secondly, you can also purchase tickets online ahead of time or at the Doseum. They do have some special discounts, but those tickets do have to be purchased at the Doseum when you visit. You cannot purchase those discounted tickets online. The Doseum can be done all in one day, so you don't have to make it a multi-day visit. You can, of course, do that if you want to spend more time there. When we went, we did everything in one day, and the fun thing about this is that you can actually leave the Doseum and come back. Check in at the front desk before you leave, and they will give you a wristband before you leave so you can re-enter the Doseum at no additional cost. That brings me to our next tip, food. You cannot bring any outside food or drink with you to the Doseum. They do have a cafe there that you can eat at, or like I mentioned before, you can pack a lunch, leave the museum, eat it outside, or go to lunch and come back. You have a lot of options since you are able to leave and come back to the museum. Strollers. Should you bring a stroller to the Doseum? The answer to that is yes. It was very easy to navigate throughout the Doseum with a stroller. The only thing I would mention is that you might want to pack a little bag with your valuables in it that you can easily grab when you park your stroller outside some of the exhibits if you don't want to bring it in. Most of the exhibits you can just bring your stroller with you, but if you don't want to have to push it through, a valuable bag that you can grab is also a great option. My last tip for this video is all about the craft section in the Doseum. When we went, we spent a lot of time in the downstairs section, went to lunch, and then came back and did the upstairs section. The only problem with this is the craft area upstairs was already out of crafts by the time we got there in the afternoon. If you have a child that loves art or wants to do the crafts at the Doseum, then you might want to go there first and then do the other exhibits after that. I hope these tips and tricks help you when you visit the Doseum, and I can't wait to hear about your experience visiting this fun museum. If you go and visit, don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know what your experience was like, and maybe other tips and tricks that you found along the way as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video. Bye.